The anti-terror squad of the Maharashtra police today claimed they had solved the Mansukh Hiren murder investigations, and they say that the tainted Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze was responsible for the murder. He roped in some of his other friends, including those in the police and a bookie, and carried out the murder. What was the motive? Our Maharashtra Bureau with this report.
Mansukh Hiren murder case is solved, claims the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad. The probe agency says it has unraveled the mystery behind the death of the key witness in the Mukesh Ambani bomb scare case.
मयत मनसुख हिरण याची पत्नी श्रीमती विमला हिरण याचा सविस्तर जवाब नोंदवला. सदर जवाबमध्ये त्यांनी पोलीस अधिकारी सचिन वाजे याने त्याचे पतीचा खून केला असावा असा संशय फिर्यादमध्ये व्यक्त केला.
The ATS alleges the arrested police officer Sachin Vaze is the brain behind the murder. The ATS says that even though Vaze wasn't present at the crime site, he allegedly ordered Hiren's killing during his leave. To avoid suspicion, the ATS claims Vaze allegedly used SIM cards procured from Gujarat for communication instead of his phone. 5 to 6 SIM cards were allegedly procured by the arrested bookie Naresh Gaur from Gujarat, according to the ATS. A call at 8:20 p.m. on Hiren's phone, which prompted him to step out from his house, proved crucial in cracking the mystery, according to the ATS. The agency tracked down the SIM card from which the call was made. It happened to be one of the SIM cards Vaze had allegedly sourced from Gujarat. The probe team took former police constable Vinayak Shinde to the crime spot on Monday to recreate the crime scene. Vinayak allegedly took 14 SIM cards from the arrested bookie.
गुन्ह्यात वापरण्यात आलेले सिम कार्डचा शोध लावला. सदरची सिम कार्ड ही गुजरातच्या एक कंपनीचे नावे खरेदी केल्याचे निष्पन्न होते. प्राथमिक चौकशीत सदरची सिम कार्ड ही बुकी नरेश रमणिकलाल गौर याने सचिन वाजे याचे सांगण्यावरून आरोपी विनायक शिंदे याच्याकडे दिल्याचे तपासात निष्पन्न झाल्याने.
According to sources, Shinde allegedly helped Vaze and is under suspicion for planting the threat letter outside Ambani's house. The printer found at his residence is suspected to have been used for printing the threat letter addressed to Neeta and Mukesh Ambani. Few more policemen continue to be on radar for providing logistical support and luring Hiren to the creek where he was found dead. The ATS claims come even as the case has been handed over to the NIA, which is investigating the explosives case.
ATS chief has claimed they have recovered a car which was used during the killing of Mansukh Hiren. Once this is confirmed by the forensic expert, this could be an important link in establishing the role of the accused in this entire murder mystery. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
In any murder, motive becomes extremely crucial. And Vidya, do we have details of the motive for this murder?
Well, according to the NIA and the ATS so far, what they do know is that this entire, conspiracy that had been hatched by Vaze was basically done to, probably get some brownie points, and the fact that he thought that the investigation would lie in his hands. But when the NIA and the ATS were roped in by Maharashtra government to investigate this case, and they understood that this entire case would not be investigated by them, and they knew that Mansukh Hiren would be an important, crucial link who could reveal much. That is the reason why he was killed. These are the unofficially being told by the ATS and the NIA about this entire motive. But at present, the NIA and the ATS both say that they are investigating this case further, and thus right now they are still trying to collect more evidence, which is the reason why the car that has been procured from Daman is right now being checked by the FSL to find more forensic evidence that they can against this entire case.
Vidya, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.